Hello, and thank you for being here. My name is Shayna Krause, and you're watching Krause Kreations. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I customize these cute wall hangings from Designs by JuJu.
Okay, I will.
And we're Googling Designs by JuJu because I want to show you exactly where I purchased the design from. So it's under In the Hoop, Miniature Wall Hang and Desk Decoration. You see there's a few options that you could choose from, but today we're going to be using this one right here. It's called In the Hoop Miniature Wall and Desk Decor Set number 4. And I'll quickly show you what that looks like. So this is what we're going to be making today. So this right here, this is an example of the Designs by JuJu wall hanging that I've purchased. However, we're going to make our own customizations. So this right here is the wall hanging designs by Designs by JuJu. I like to customize my items that I make, so I like to remove these tabs that you see here. I'm going to update the text here. So basically, whenever we go to Embrilliance website, we're going to go ahead and remove that text and input the items that we want. You're going to go to wherever you saved the design to. So I have a Designs by JuJu folder. In the Hoop, wall hang, and it is number 4. I like PES. We're going to do the 5x7 size. So all I'm going to do is double click the 5x7. Alright. So once you have that in your Embrilliance platform, you'll see that the 5x7 option basically is too big for my 7-inch Mighty Hoop. Whenever you have a design that is not the right size of your hoop and you don't want to use this size because you will hit the frame of your Mighty Hoops, what you're going to do is you're just going to click on your design, and this option right here, I'm going to have to show you with my finger because I don't know how to do screen share yet. Or you know what? I could probably use a ruler. Let's grab a ruler. Let's use this guy right here. Okay. So if your design is bigger than your frame or does not fit in the frame how you like, you can click on this option right here. It looks like a crosshair. Let's see. If you're counting the blocks, it's the 1, 2, 3, third block right here, the blue one up top. You're just going to click it and watch the design as I click it. The design changes in shape. As you see right here, now the design changed the size when I clicked that button right there, and now it is going to perfectly fit inside the Mighty Hoop, and it's not going to hit the frame. Alright. So what I always do, I'm going to click over here, I'm going to go to my preferred thread colors. The first thing that I do is I'm going to go here to the stitch simulator option, and I like to go through every single step to see what I have coming basically. Alright, so you see you have your placement, you're going to put your fabric down, you have your tack down. And then you're going to tack down your bottom fabric. We're going to be using brown. And then you're tacking down your top fabric. I'm going to be using school colors. Right here you see that white, let me see if it's in frame, if you can even see it. Yes, it is. Okay, perfect. This white right here is kind of like a faux quilt. We're not going to use that. Keep that. And then this is the design that's included with purchase. We're not using that. Alright, so we're going to jump out of Stitch Simulator. Now we're just working on the actual design. I know that I don't want the faux stitch, so what you do, you highlight it right here. These are all the steps that we just went through. They're divided by colors. Alright, so the first step would be up here. Your first step is going to be down here, and your last step is going to be here. I know that I don't want the faux stitch, so I just highlight it, hit backspace. And then you see that it gets off your design here. I don't want the green leaves, highlight it, backspace. I don't want basically any of the design, so I'm just gonna highlight design and backstitch. A easier thing for you to do, I'll hit the backup button. Just a quicker way. So this is the original design here. So a quick way, if you hit this drop down right here, I'm highlighting the command button, so I already know that I don't want the faux stitching. Hold down the command button. I don't want this green, I don't want that anything else. So now that everything is highlighted by using the command button, now you can just hit backspace and it'll all be deleted. So if you go back to Stitch Simulator, I'm just going to run through it real quick. You see that the design is now blank. Okay, except for this right here that we're going to use. So for today's customization, I am going to be using the Build Your Own Family from Marmiebee. I'll make this bigger so you can see. This is the options. Today we're going to make Quint's teacher. Her name is Miss Rose. And I think that she most looks like... Miss Rose. Let's see. She has long, beautiful hair. I'd say she either looks like this one or she looks like this one. So to have a little fun with it, we're going to use this one because that one just has fun hair. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. She's option number 6. So go to teacher 6. You see right here. Let's see. Now you have to decide on which size you're going to use for your design. So I don't really memorize the sizes that are available, so I'm just going to drag them in there to see if it's the right size. All right, so that's large. Trying to think, if I use this size, will I have enough space to write her name? That was large. Let's see what medium looks like. Trying to think here. I did that and put the text here. Miss Rose. Alright, yeah, we're just gonna do that. Okay. So Miss Rose, we have that in there. And then we want to customize the text. We're gonna add text. Oh yeah, the lady's too big. Medium, small, small PS. That's medium? My kiddos are playing in the background. This is how I legit make a design. Like we're making this in real life. Hi, Miss Rose. Quint loves you.
Now get my pick up like a red block.
Sometimes you might have to use your cursor. Oops.
Mom, I'm happy.
You're happy?
Yeah.
That's good.
In my brush. In my brush.
Yes, you may.
In my break a block.
Yes, you may.
Yay! No, it's dead. Watch. See that it's dead? That is I don't know if this watches. It's watching. Yeah, it was Zoom. I said her name Zoom. So, that's Zuma. That's her name Zuma. Because her name's Zuma. Yeah. There you go.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Ding, rock and rock and rock, rock.
Please like and subscribe.
And bye bye. Bye bye.
Sure.
Bye.
Say, thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
We would love for you to please like and subscribe.
Okay. Bye. No.